Welcome to RosySpare.com. In this video, we highlight a kitchen transformation in the Buena Vida community. Inside the Ventana style model, this 2-bedroom plus then 2.5-bath home offers over 2,300 square feet of living space. And today we will show you how its kitchen is completely reimagined before and after. Before, the kitchen has dark cabinets and dated finishes. While functional, it feels heavy and no longer matches the bright, modern lifestyle the homeowners envision. Now, the kitchen is slick and modern. High-gloss white flat front cabinets and the marble look island and countertops create a dramatic contrast. The entire space feels brighter, more open, and perfectly designed for gatherings with family and friends. Every detail makes an impact. From the glossy cabinetry and stainless steel appliances to the statement lighting, bar seating, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow, the design blends bold style with everyday functionality, making this kitchen as practical as it is beautiful. This Ventana-style kitchen in Buena Vida is completely transformed from outdated to outstanding. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to hearing from you.